Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your weekly horoscope for the coming week, that is 31st of August till 6th of September. So September is coming. Let's see what new guidance universe is giving you, what you need to follow during the week and have a blissful week ahead. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel और बेल आइकन ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें, और शेयर कीजिए ये फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ ताकि आपके फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली भी गाइडेंसेस एंजॉय कर सकें। ये जनरल रीडिंग है, बट मैंने बड़े प्यार से यूनिवर्स और गणपति को याद करके बनाया है, तो आई होप आप रेजोनेट करें इन कार्ड्स के साथ। ऑल्सो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में टाइम स्टैम्प दे दूंगी, तो आप अपने टाइम के हिसाब से, ज़ोडिएक के हिसाब से ये रीडिंग देख सकते हैं। मैं मून साइंस के अकॉर्डिंग रीडिंग करती हूँ, बट अगर आपको मून साइन नहीं पता है तो आप वेस्टर्न ज़ोडिएक सन साइन से भी ये रीडिंग एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। फॉर एनी पर्सनलाइज असिस्टेंस या आप मुझसे बात करना चाहते हैं तो मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स होंगे, आप वहाँ फॉलो करके मुझे रीच आउट कर सकते हैं। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन है एरीज, तो चलिए देखते हैं एरीज के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके, सो एरीज आपके लिए जो कार्ड आया है वो है रिलीज, विच मीन्स कि आपके जो भी पास्ट मिस्टेक्स हैं या आपके जो भी पास्ट में इश्यूज है उन सबको लेट गो कीजिए। चाहे कोई रिलेशनशिप है या कोई आपने मिस्टेक किया था एंड आप होल्ड करके बैठे हो, सो दिस कार्ड इज टेलिंग यू लेट गो ऑफ द पास्ट एंड एंडिंग दैट मेक्स वे फॉर न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज। तभी आपको न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज दिखाई देंगी। वन पार्ट ऑफ एंडिंग शुड बी देयर टू मेक way for new opportunities. It's the time to move on. So ये कार्ड आपको यही बोलता है कि it's the time to move on. Move on कीजिए, पास्ट की मिस्टेक्स को लर्न कीजिए, चाहे वो रिलेशनशिप हो चाहे कुछ भी हो। You need to let go of the past to open new opportunities. So it is the time to move on. I hope you understand, Aries. All the best. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं, देखते हैं 31 से 6 सितंबर तक आपके लिए क्या गाइडेंस है। टॉरस, सो दिस इज द कार्ड फॉर टॉरस। टॉरस आपके लिए जो कार्ड आया है वो है हर्मिट, द हर्मिट। सो द हर्मिट इज ऑलवेज टेलिंग यू इट्स द टाइम टू फाइंड अ मेंटर। सो आपको मेंटर की जरूरत है जो आपको गाइड कर सके आपका लाइफ पर्पस क्या है। और अगर आपके रिलेशनशिप में इश्यूज हैं, ये कार्ड ये भी कहता है इट्स द टाइम टू हैव अ स्मॉल ब्रेक, सेपरेशन, गो आउट in society or away from your relationship and find the right reason. Look within. It's the time to soul searching, introspection, to find your life path. You find your spiritual growth. So find और बी अ मेंटर, या तो खुद मेंटर बनिए दूसरों के लिए या अपने लिए मेंटर चूज कीजिए जो आपको लाइफ पर्पस के बारे में गाइड कर सके। टॉरस, टेक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम सोसाइटी, अ कमिटमेंट टू योर स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ। सो इट इज द टाइम फॉर स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ। कोई स्पिरिचुअल कम्युनिटी ज्वाइन कीजिए एंड फाइंड योर पर्पस। It's a time to do introspection. Go out on a vacation, take a break, meditate. फोन वोन सब बंद कीजिए एंड फाइंड योर पर्पस। सो ऑल द बेस्ट टॉरस। लेट अस मूव ऑन टू जेमिनाई, नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन। चलिए देखते हैं जेमिनाई के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके, जेमिनाई, फॉर यू द कार्ड इज बैलेंस। ये कहता है बैलेंस की जरूरत है लाइफ में। अगर आपको कोई सोल्यूशन चाहिए तो टेक एवरीवन्स इनपुट इनटू कंसिडरेशन, मर्ज व्यू पॉइंट टू गेट अ बेटर सोल्यूशन। तो आपको क्या करना है, आप सबसे ओपिनियंस लीजिए। आपकी लाइफ में जो भी पर्सन है, फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं, टेक एवरीवन्स इनपुट इनटू कंसिडरेशन। सो व्हाटएवर सॉल्यूशन यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, जो भी आपकी चैलेंजेस है, रीच आउट टू देम, talk to them, get their opinion, merge it into a better solution. You will definitely find a better solution. So it's the time to balance it. It's the time to go with the flow Don't rush out things. Don't take impulsive decisions, Gemini. You have to take your time. There is no need to rush. Go with the flow. Don't run around. Just slowly and slowly go with the flow. Find the right solution and then take the decision. So all the best, Gemini. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं, दैट इज कैंसर. देखते हैं कैंसर के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके, सो कैंसेरियंस, आपके लिए जो कार्ड आया है वो है 2 ऑफ ऑटम, विच मीन्स ब्रिंग फन इनटू एवरीथिंग यू डू. तो बैलेंस लाइए अपनी लाइफ में, बिकॉज यू आर जगलिंग विथ मल्टीपल प्रायोरिटीज. You are juggling with job, you are juggling with family responsibilities. So give priorities, what is important. Bring balance in your life. Bring fun in whatever you do. Don't be too much monotonous. You have exceptional talent for multitasking, but you have to bring fun into everything you do. You are juggling with multiple priorities, job, running around. So make it priorities, what is important for you, and work accordingly. You are exceptionally talented in multitasking, but at the same time, balance is required, fun is required. Then only you will complete your task. So all the best, Cancer. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन लियो. लेट्स सी द गाइडेंस फॉर लियो. ओके, सो लियो, आपके लिए जो कार्ड आया है वो है 2 ऑफ विंटर, विच मीन्स यू आर इनडिसाइसिव दिस वीक. यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड, यू आर thinking from heart what others will say, or you are trying to please others and getting trapped between your intellectual and your heart. So this card is telling you indecision is holding you back. Be practical. Make the choice that is best for you rather than pleasing others. Think about yourself, what is good for you. You are trapped between intellectual and emotional. You have to use your mind over emotions and go for the decision which is good for you, which will help you in the long run. Be practical, don't be emotional this week. Otherwise, you will land into trouble. And if you take decisions pleasing others, you will not be happy in the long run. So it is the time to make the choice for yourself rather than pleasing others. Leo, all the best. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन वर्गो. लेट्स सी द गाइडेंस. वर्गो के लिए देखते हैं क्या कार्ड आया है. ओके, वर्गो, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 8 ऑफ समर, विच मीन्स थिंग्स विच आर नॉट सर्विंग यू एनी पर्पस, कॉजिंग यू pain and discomfort. Time to move on, time to leave those things and move on. I know it is very painful, but this is the only thing you have to do to find more meaningful life. It's the time to move on, leaving behind things which are not serving any purpose. You have to make major life changes for yourself. You have to go and find more meaningful life. The dawn of light is waiting for you. So it's the time to find more meaningful life. Realize that it's the time to move on. Choose the major life changes which will help you in long run. All the best, Virgo. चलिए लिब्रा पे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन इज लिब्रा, कन्या राशि. लेट्स सी द गाइडेंस. ओके, so Libra, for you the card is 5 of winter, which means it's the time to move on from dishonest associations. You know, realize that what you thought you wanted, is it the best choice for your happiness? So universe wants what is happiness for you. So maybe the thing which you have thought for is not the right choice for your happiness. That's why it's the time to walk away from dishonest associations. Something that is not worth for your efforts. You have put lot of efforts, but that is not serving any purpose. You have to move on. You have to be strong enough to see what universe is giving you, because this is the only thing which will make you happy. I know initially it will be very sad, very disappointment, but in the long run it is what the best choice for your happiness. So Libra, It is the time to walk away from dishonest associations, something that is not worth the effort. You have put in lot of efforts, but things are not moving. The relationship is not working. The career job is not the right choice. So it is not the choice for your happiness. It is a short term. So time to move on. All the best, Libra. चलिए next zodiac, Scorpio. Let's see the guidance for Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is 8 of Autumn, which means do more research before proceeding. So जो भी आप काम कर रहे हैं उसमें और research करने की ज़रूरत है. You have to improve your skills in the form of education, seminars, or you have to go back to the learning school or apprenticeship to improve your skills. Put lot of efforts to be successful. So you have to do excellent craftsmanship so that you have a long-term success in long-term projects. So you have to improve your skills by education, in going for education, putting more efforts in your work. It should be excellent craftsmanship for the long-term project. So all the best, Scorpio. Now Sagittarius, let's see the card for Sagittarius. Okay, Sagittarius, for you the card is 9 of Winter, which means you are facing unfounded fears, insomnia. You are thinking more about fears. You are thinking more about the situation and getting more fearful. More negative thoughts are coming. Lot of unfounded fear is there. So that is growing in your head. The worries are growing in your head, which is causing you sleepless nights, anxieties, fear. You are unable to find the solution to the problem. So it is the time to change your thoughts from negative to positive. Definitely you will find a solution. And getting into fear, focusing on the worst side will not serve any purpose, Sagittarius. So it is a time to come out of unfounded fears, come out of your worries and be happy. All the best. चलिए Capricorn पे चलते हैं. Let's see what is the card for Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn, for you the card is the Emperor, which means it is the time to use your logic and structured approach to increase your success. You have to be organized. You are in a stable job, so you have to use your logic to work. You have to increase your structure and success. You are a firm but a compassionate leader, so mix both of them and reach out to your success. So it is the time to use your logic rather than emotions. So you are a very structured person, disciplined person. Use your discipline and organize to be successful. All the best, Capricorn. चलिए Aquarius पे चलते हैं. The second last zodiac sign. Okay, Aquarius, for you the card is 7 of Autumn, which is all about patience and not to worry. You have to be patient and don't worry. Take time to rest and plan your next steps. Don't be in a hurry. Be patient. Things will work when the universe wants. So you have to take rest. Plan your next steps accordingly. It's a prudent investment of time or money. So you have to have slowly a good long-term plan, long-term investment. Save your time. Keep on doing the hard work. Invest your work. So it is always like, long-term investment of time and money. So you have to slowly work accordingly. Slowly wins the race. So have patience and work on your next move with saves your time or money. All the best. Last zodiac, Pisces. चलिए देखते हैं क्या कार्ड है Pisces के लिए. Okay, Pisces, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है Ace of Winter, which means challenges से मत घबराओ, अपने goals की तरफ बढ़ो. You have to work towards your goals, and to fulfill your goals, definitely you will face challenges, but don't be deterred by the challenges. Don't be nervous by the challenges. It is always important to communicate clearly and accurately what exactly you need in life, what are your goals, how to reach them. So everything should be communicated clearly to your team or to yourself and move towards it. It's the time to fight for your goals. It is the time to work towards your goals. You have amazing ideas, Pisces. You have to implement them and reach your goals and be successful. So it's a time for success, long-term projects, new opportunities. So all the best, Pisces. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I hope this week also will make you happy and you plan your week accordingly. See you next week. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Have a great week ahead.